Hello everyone. This video tutorial I will discuss about penetration testing tools. This video I am discuss about Wireshark tool. What is the Wireshark? Wireshark is the powerful and widely used network analyzer. Okay, let's move my today video. Before start this tutorial, I want to say important thing for you. If you want to install any pen testing tool, please use your virtual PC, not your host PC. It is very dangerous for your files and others. Okay. Now I open my Kali Linux virtual PC and now go this video description and you can see one download file. Its name is first.task.pcap. This is the today my packet analyze file. Okay. After downloading, please open your Wireshark tool. Okay, you can see my Wireshark interface. Now I select my downloaded file, first task.pcap, and open. Okay, you can see I am open my today pkp file. pcap mean packet analyzer file. Okay. First I am check this pcap file infected devices and their IP address. Okay. Now I go to static and select conversation and select IP version 4, and you can see so many IP addresses, host IP addresses are in here. Now I select this packet and bytes. Okay, you can see bytes detail are displayed here, and you can see this host IP address have so many bytes. It's mean it is the infected devices. Okay, now I select this IP address. Because this IP address, this host IP address is infected IP address 10.6.15.119. Now I check this host IP address details. First I close it and type IP address 10.6.15.119. Now press enter. You can see all the details, this IP address, all the details are displayed here. Now I select any protocol. Now I select first protocol and you can see some more details are included in here. Now I select Ethernet and You can see this IP address. This is this IP address, MAC address, and you can see this is their IP version 4 IP address. Now I check this IP address, account, user account, and host name. Now I type this command. Okay. Now I type this command and press enter. And you can see this protocol, some files. Okay, now I select this number IP address and check there this last one and as request body. Okay, this you can see this is this PC host name. Okay, now I check their user account. Now I check their user account. Select this and right click, and you can see apply as column. I'm selected, and you can see new column include in here. Now I check the user account. Yeah, you can see this is the user account for this is our infected PC user account. You can see this is their IP address and this is user account. This is the user account for our infected devices. Okay, now I check infected DNS response for this infected IP address. Now select and type DNS response and press enter. You can see this is the DNS record for our infected devices. Okay, now I ready to check their risk level. I use Wireshark website. Open your browser and type Wireshark and press enter. Oh, you can see this website is now open. Now I minimize it and go to my Wireshark and check their DNS response. Now I check this DNS response. and press enter. You can see this response I have no is vulnerabilities. Now I check another DNS response. Now I select this DNS response and paste in here. Remove first lines. No, it have no risk and vulnerabilities. Now I select this website. Copy, summarize text. Go to paste and remove first lines and hit enter. No risk level. Now I check this website. Hit enter. Oh, you can see this website have some risk levels. Okay, some malicious things are included in this DNS response. Okay. Now I select this IP address and go to check the infected date and all the details. You can see this is first packet and this is last packet. All the details are included in here. Okay. That's all about my today video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you very much.